What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Brand 2 times, and I'm back with another banger. You feel me? Today I'm gonna show you how to whip it up in the kitchen. You feel me? So today I'm gonna make a nice little gourmet breakfast, something like the intercontinental. My bad. What do you feel me? So you feel me? I don't eat too much. You feel me? But I can do a little something. So look, today let's see what we got up in the fridge. No, come get the people. You feel me? You feel me? We got little stuff in the fridge and shit, you feel me? But listen though. Waffles, you feel me? You ain't gotta go with the name brand. But you feel me, waffles. Go ahead, back over there, you feel me? You feel me? So you got the waffles, you feel me? You need the toaster, cause come on man, you gonna put waffles in the microwave? Man, get the microwave, come on. No, look at me. No. Okay. So you feel me? Plug that in, you feel me? Also, 2 times. Love chickens. I love chickens. You feel me? That's why I'm a big supporter of their eggs. Facts, you feel me? Facts, you feel me? So I got the eggs, you feel me? Some, little hotel gourmet breakfast. Not crazy. Hold on. I'm healthy, you feel me? I like to work out, you feel me? Hold on, man. Get that in and stop playing big 2 times, you feel me? It's like stay with veggies, you feel me? Fruit, not veggies. Fruit, my bad, you feel me? Fruit. Pineapples, peaches. You can't go wrong. A little toast. And then look, man. So right now we got waffles, eggs, peaches, and toast. Nice little healthy breakfast. Nothing crazy, nothing major. You feel me? Sadly, I only have apple juice. I'm an orange juice type of guy, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. We definitely will. Alright. So the first thing you should do is make sure open up the eggs, you feel me? Crack them, and then stir it. That's what I would do first. And then my son, I have a son, for you guys who don't know, he loves cinnamon bread. So, but I'm not making cinnamon bread. We're just gonna put this toast in there first. No, we're gonna put the waffles, make the waffles first. You feel me? The toast gonna get hard. I really like my toast super hard, you feel me? Light brown. And yeah, you feel me? So I'm gonna show you how to make an intercontinental breakfast, something they can promote and stuff like that. See the bowls? Now, me personally, you feel me? Gotta get a bowl of cereal. And you probably thinking like, why is he making a bowl of cereal and he better take a breakfast? I'm about to tell you why in a minute. Y'all gotta bear with me. You feel me? You go with this milk. But I love almond breeze, man. Real bananas. I told you I like to eat healthy, for me. Healthy mind, healthy life. But we're gonna go regular today. Some people like to put the cereal in first. Some people like to put the milk in first. Me, you feel me? Cereal, then milk. I like my cereal soggy too. It gotta be soggy. You feel me? Fruity Pebbles too, the best cereal. Fruity Pebbles, man. You want Fruity Pebbles? You're not. And then we're gonna get the spoon. So I know y'all thought I was about to cook waffles, eggs, and bread. Get that. Waffles, eggs, and bread, and peaches. I ain't gonna eat this. Truthfully told, it's intercontinental breakfast. It's just like a hotel. They serve cereal. And I don't know how to make the rest of it. So, this is how you make a bowl of cereal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Best breakfast ever. Y'all have a good day.